Oh yes, oh yes. Today's session was really amazing. I am Ashton D'Souza from Kinza.
What did you learn from today's session?
Today's session was very thought-provoking. Given the business that I do, I live in a dark age. Given the amount of digital life that happens today, okay, I'm away from that. So this particular program has taught me how to link up and get my products to the market. Yeah.
Nice to hear that. So last, how can you apply it to your business? All the things that you've learned from Anas, right?
Yeah, first I got to do research of my company, products that meet my target market. Yeah. And once I do that, I have to then look at what my target market uses to in their day-to-day work, where I can connect with them and offer my products to them. You know, I need to build a bond with them, connecting through these channels, whether it's WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, and increase my communication, increase my bandwidth to them, and finally increase my product range.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Last question: is today's session worth it? Is it worth the drive?
Oh yes, oh yes. Today's session was really amazing. It was worth the time I've spent. Firstly, with the content of the course, networking with people over here, the environment, very motivational, especially Mr. Anas, who was so inspirational in what he did in the mentor classes, okay, because he's so knowledgeable in what he does and what he shares with us. It's really helped me to look into my own company and what I need to do. Yeah, so it's been a big gain for me personally to take my company to the next level.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.